Picture yourself in the 2021 Chevrolet Malibu. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Malibu delivers the comfort and convenience of a four-door luxury midsize with the refined agility and sculpted looks that inspire true driving pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes. Torn between sporty and practical? Drive an automobile that knows how to multitask. Drive the Malibu.